Okay guys, I'm here at the Tokyo Station, world-renowned Tokyo Station, and I just got here. So we took 2 trains from our hotel where we stayed at the Intercontinental Tokyo Bay, and now we are getting ready to go ahead and head off to Kyoto. Luckily, I have 2 students that are basically friends now that took us here yesterday. We went through a few stations yesterday, so we got a little bit of the lay of the land, and we knew that chaos existed for Tokyo Station, and that is so true. So today we have 2 carry-ons and a backpack and a duffel bag. So we kind of condensed our suitcases a little bit. So we had all of this to bring, and we had to get through what you can see is a lot of people. We are here on a Thursday, and we left our hotel around 7:15, and still the traffic is getting, the rush hour, should I say, is here. It is going on right now. And we were lucky that our trains were not too crowded, so we were able to easily get on with no problem with our suitcases. So let's go ahead and go look for some food. Okay, so we are hustling and bustling through the crowd, and you can see there are so many options for you to get a bento box, or also known as ekiben, because these are going to be the bento boxes that are sold specifically for the trains. So as you can see, there are so many different varieties of different treats you can get, gifts you can get for loved ones as you're traveling. They have a little bit of everything here. So we went ahead and purchased our snacks and drinks for the train ride, and we're so excited because this is a real traditional thing to do in Japan. As you can see, the crowd was enormous, and definitely some people already know what their favorite bento meals are, so they were quickly purchasing and picking up their items. All right, so now we are waiting in anticipation to get onto our Shinkansen today. So here I am with my suitcase, and we decided to go ahead and get seats in the business class area of the train, and we also reserved a spot for our suitcases. Later, you will see here that there is really plenty of room for carry-on suitcases above. So I think we probably could have got away with not paying the extra for that. But as you can see, I'm putting the suitcase here right behind our seat. So those are the reserved spots for suitcases. And there are other options available as well. See, that's very wide. You have really good seats here in this particular compartment of the train, and we were really comfortable. So we're going to go ahead, and you guys can join us now, and we're going to go ahead and enjoy this very serene ride that we're going to have, and also enjoy our snacks as well. I hope you guys enjoy the views because they are going to be absolutely magnificent. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, I am going to ask, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment, and also go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We have so much content coming out in the future that we hope everyone will like. But we want to go ahead and ask you to please subscribe so that we know that whatever we're putting out is something that you like, and we can continue to put more content out in the future. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take this ride. Enjoy! Ride has been really enjoyable, and talk about just enjoying the scenery. It's one of the things that we really like to do when we're traveling. My husband and I both like to drive, and we definitely love car trips and road trips that we have taken throughout the United States. And it's something that we enjoy because we get to sit back and just really see the beauty of the country that you're in. And this particular train ride really did that for us. No, we weren't in our cars driving, but we had the same scenery, the same effect of being in this moving vehicle. And in this particular case, the Shinkansen is going so incredibly fast but you really don't feel it. It's not an uncomfortable ride. It's actually very comfortable. And as you can see today, we got extremely lucky because it is a clear, beautiful day, and we can see Mount Fuji. I mean, talk about a bonus. It's just fabulous. Considering that Tokyo was raining the past couple days that we were there, we are very fortunate to have these beautiful views of Mount Fuji, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well.